Hi friends, I went on a photo walk in downtown Salt Lake City. It was Sunday, so it was a sleepy day. I took some photos of some buildings, got kicked out of an alley. Oh, okay, all right. And got a couple of portraits of a homeless man that I was able to buy a coffee for. So, here you go, enjoy. Hi friends, I'm in downtown Salt Lake City. It's absolutely dead because it's Sunday. The LDS Church has a prominent presence in Salt Lake City. Their temple's right there. And the stores are shut down in this area as well, in this mall right here called City Creek. All right, look at this building. I always love this building. Very nice. The Nakatomi Plaza, that's what it is. I can't tell if he's screaming at a specific guy or at nobody. Oh, very sad. Might cross this guy's path, so we'll be careful.
That wasn't really like what my intention was. How come it was more of...
Well, this is new. This wasn't here last time. It's weird because it's such a small parking lot for such serious gigs. You ever just not know what's going on? This is fun. Sorry, point the camera, video camera, so you can see it. Pretty cool. Wow. Huh, what happens if I walk this way a little bit? Do I die? Ah. No death so far. Up is nice.
I'll try spinning. That's a good trick.
Oh my god. Whoa, that's kind of cool. Oh, I'm glad I tried that. That was cool. Call this video spinning around in Salt Lake City. All right, we're gonna try it one more time. We're gonna drop the shutter speed down. Oh, okay, all right. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Well, I got the photos. I'll never spin in that alley again. I should just do an entire photo walk where I'm just spinning. It's good. Hi, me. So this is a new building. This was not here last time I was here, years ago. The glass one, by the way. I always wanted to get people in front of this building because I like the building. But as you can see, there's all sorts of stuff in front of it. There's tree planters, fire hydrant, lights, cars. It's really a shame. This is beautiful. I love the rounded corners. Oh, cool. There's a sun beam. Neat. Different angles here. I don't think I have my diffuser with me, unfortunately. Nope. No diffuser. Rats. So I'm also trying to stay out of the sun. Not sure how successful I'm being at that. I'm already a little bit burnt. My wife forgot her sunglasses on the strip, so she's been using mine. And today she bought me a cheap pair at a gas station here. And they're actually pretty nice. I like them a lot. A little small. Oh yeah, this is a good angle. Stop. Over there. 29. I require nourishment. Well, this is fancy. Fun story. I believe, I may be wrong, but I believe I had an interview to work for Apple at one of their stores over there in that room. Didn't make it, unfortunately. One of these, and one of these. I sit at these tables here and have a relaxing atmosphere up here, watching all the commoners buy their common goods. I love the commoners, you know. I love dwelling amongst the common folk. Keeps me humble. Speaking of being rich, I got all of this for just under $6. So that's fun. All right, good times. Back into the light of death. I mean, listen, no hate against the sun. The sun is wonderful. We need the sun, but it's also trying to kill me. Just gonna sit here by this tree for a second. Oh, hi, it's me over there. I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, I think I broke my glasses. I broke my glasses. Oh no. Oh, and I missed a cyclist. So sad. Better than the lens as I precariously set this camera on this thing here. Okay, dang. Yeah. Good, 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 good. Broke my ankle. He died of a broken ankle. And heart. His heart was broken because of his ankle. Alright, let's go over here. Going to the mall grounds. So the mall's closed, but you can still walk on the grounds on the outside. I'm trying to hug the shadows. It's kind of interesting. This building. Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Let's see. Building is just so bright. That building. Fun. All right.
Try black and white.
Oh, I agree. That's a good idea.
I had a guy take one of me. It turned out black and white. Turned out really good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're on. What? You're on. Huh? You're on. Oh, hi. So I met this guy earlier on in the photo walk. I told him I'd buy a coffee for him, and he was very appreciative. I don't have any money. I can buy you coffee or something. You want coffee?
Could ya?
Yeah.
I'd love a nice coffee.
Iced coffee? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want what? You want anything in it?
Just tell them. It was for David.
David.
And they know, and they'll put like 7 sugars in and blend it.
Okay.
Thank you, boss.
Will do, man.
Thank you.
I'll be right back. We had a nice little conversation. I went on my way, and then I bumped back into him later. This is what you're seeing now. He offered me a portrait when I came back, which was great because he made a wonderful subject. A very kind fellow. I was happy I was able to meet him and chat with him for a little bit. All right, let's see here. The car out of the background. Awesome. Get one a little bit tighter. All right. Awesome. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. All right. God bless you, man. I'll see you around. Okay. You have a good one. This lens does make for a good portrait lens, assuming you're going for more of a raw kind of look, because I can push it into 35. 35 millimeters is a good portrait focal length, or it can be depending on what you're after. I'm gonna switch over to to my 70 to 200. Hey, thanks, sir. This is a piece of the battery that is currently in the camera, which is recording this video. This is how I pull the battery out of the camera. This broke. Another piece that went somewhere. Oh, here it is. So, okay. First my glasses, now my battery. Let's see if I can get this thing out. This is what is going on with the battery. This was here, and then there was a tab that, you know, allowed you to pull it out. So if I start tugging on this, I think this is gonna pop off as well. So I need something to pry it out, or maybe I should just hit it on the concrete. It's really in there. It's got quite a tight tolerance. So I don't know if that's gonna work. I'm sure I could beat it on the concrete and it would work, but I don't think that's gonna be helpful. Oh boy. Well, that was an interesting conclusion. So I did end up getting the battery out back at our place. Me and my wife were fiddling with it. There was some violent action involved and it finally came out. The good news is that battery, along with his cousin, has served me well for a long time. I'll have to pick up a new one so that I can have 2 again. Oh, and also after the battery died, I did take a couple more photos. I took this photo and I love this photo. This photo makes me so happy. On Shorts, Instagram, etc., I've been making short video breakdowns of photos, and this is one of them. I will link to that short. But with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it inspirational. Please feel free to comment below, share any thoughts you may have. I would be happy to engage with you guys on there. If you want to hit the like button if you enjoyed it, I would appreciate that. If you want to subscribe, I would appreciate that as well. Love you guys. Have a good day. Goodbye. Cheers. You're on. What? You're on. Huh? You're on. Oh, hi. So I met this guy earlier on in the photo walk.